This is where we get our zombie man scene at the halfway mark of the episode. And might I say, his theme is also completely fire. It matches the character so much and lends this scene the creepiness that it's trying to deliver. So they actually add a good bit to Blizzard's thoughts here. Like, she's thinking what she's gonna do when she gets up to Saitama's apartment, but they're cutting constantly to other things. They cut first to the apartment itself and how it looks and how we can see it's run down and kind of a shithole. Then we cut to a graphic of what happened to the Blizzard group, which he mentions something happens to them. By the way, Tony's Gate fucking dirt sound effects hits when they show that tornado absolutely eviscerated the Blizzard group for no reason. Hilarious, by the way.